Top 9 Ways to Make Money Online in Pakistan. 2024. Earn $50 to $5,000 per month. Are you facing financial difficulties and searching for a quick way to earn money online? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover the top 9 ways to make money online in Pakistan using popular apps and valuable skills. Watch until the end. You could start earning between $50 to $5,000 per month. Let's dive in. Section 1. Top 5 Earning Apps in Pakistan. 1. Markaz. First up, we have Markaz, a social e-commerce platform that lets you earn money by reselling products without any upfront investment. Just download the app, create a free account, and explore products you can promote. Share links to your chosen products on social media, and every time someone buys from your link, you earn a commission. It's easy, it's effective, and it's perfect for beginners. 2. Daraz. Next is Daraz, Pakistan's largest marketplace. Here, you can create a seller account and list products to sell to a massive audience. Use their built-in marketing tools, manage orders effectively, and watch your sales grow. Daraz connects you directly with customers, making it ideal for anyone looking to earn online. 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is a well-known freelance marketplace. You can offer services like graphic design, video editing, or digital marketing starting at just $5. Create an engaging gig, showcase your skills, and promote your services on social media. High-quality work and good reviews can quickly increase your monthly earnings to hundreds or even thousands of dollars. 4. Jeeto Paisa. Jeeto Paisa is a fun app where you earn rewards by completing simple tasks. Play games, watch videos, fill out surveys, or shop online. Each task earns you points or cashback, making it a perfect choice for anyone with a bit of free time looking to earn extra cash. 5. Google Opinion Rewards. Finally, there's Google Opinion Rewards. Answer short surveys and earn small amounts credited directly to PayPal or as Google Play credit. It's a simple way to earn a little extra by sharing your opinions on topics that matter. Section 2. Top 4 Skills to Make Money Online. 1. Virtual Assistant VA. Becoming a virtual assistant is a fantastic way to earn remotely. From managing emails to handling social media, virtual assistants offer diverse services. Start by identifying your skills, then sign up on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. A good profile and client satisfaction can help you charge higher rates over time. 2. Blogging. Blogging is perfect for creative writers. Write about topics you love and monetize through ads, affiliate links, or sponsored posts. Focus on topics that attract readers, get approved for Google AdSense, and start earning from clicks and impressions on your site. Build a loyal audience, and the income potential is endless. 3. Freelancing. With freelancing, you're your own boss. Identify your strengths, be it coding, design, or writing. Build a strong portfolio on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Send tailored proposals and manage your projects well. Deliver quality work on time, and freelancing could be your full-time career. 4. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is a booming industry. Whether it's affiliate marketing, content creation, or e-commerce, you can use social media to connect with your target audience. Consider starting a YouTube channel, a blog, or managing social media for brands. You can earn through ads, sponsorships, and sales, depending on your area of expertise. Conclusion. In Pakistan, the opportunities to earn money online are growing every day. By using apps like Markaz, Daraz, and Fiverr, or developing skills like digital marketing and blogging, you can earn a stable income from anywhere. Which of these methods will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on online earning.